Hello everybody, it's Blessed Oils. I am here at Habitat Restore volunteering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am here at volunteer. I am here at Habitat Humanity volunteering. Just volunteering. And if you need anything for your house, they have all kind of things here that you can come, and they have them in every state. You can come and get different things. You can get furniture, light fixtures, all type of things, nice things too. There is a curio cabinet, and it's big too. I mean, it's got a couple little scuffs on it, but you know, not much. It's very nice quality wood. And this is 150. They've got different stuff here. This one is real nice. Oh, I like this one. Oh, it's 150. Let's see. No, $100. And then it's got a light. Ooh, shoot. I better volunteer and get on up out of here. They got some nice ones. See all those down there? Okay, let's keep going. I'm not going to make this video too long, but I just wanted to show you that this place, you can come and get, and these are all the paint things that I'm just restocking the paint shelves. So yeah, so if you like to volunteer, you can go to the Restore and you can do that, and you can find a lot of other things, you know, that you may need, someone else could use. They got tables and chairs, they got lawn furniture. Let's see, they've got outside stuff that you can use for your yard, blowers. Let's see, they got dining room table chairs. Those are nice. They just need to be clean. What did it say? $10 a piece? I gotta get out of here. Can you help me, sir? I need to get out of here. I'm just doing a video that's showing people that they can come and get different stuff from the Restore. I mean, how you work here and not be buying stuff?
Because we gotta make sure that stuff is not on the floor so it's like.
Oh, okay. But do you see different stuff for your house that you can get for your stuff, your house?
Yeah, I be seeing a lot of stuff. And sometimes I'll be looking like, please don't get that.
I know, right? I'll be doing it. Right, I know. I'll be doing the same thing if I was you.
Please don't get that.
Right.
Because we have to wait, I think, like 48 or 72 hours for it to be out here. Then we can purchase.
48 to 72. Okay, do you mind being on video? Okay. What's your name?
Josh.
This is Josh, and he works at the Habitat Restore. This is in Lenexa?
Yes, ma'am.
In Lenexa, yeah. This is Josh, and he said he had a hard time. He be wanting folks to leave stuff alone so he can get it. All right, then. Thank you, Josh.
No problem.
I appreciate it. I am Blessed Oils on TikTok.
Hell
Yeah, I don't have that many followers, but enough. Yeah, so I just do inspirational stuff. Yeah, I ain't gonna say just do.
Right.
I do inspirational stuff.
Yes,
and so if you want to look it up, it's Blessed Oils, lowercase b, Blessed Oils together.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? All right, nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, let's keep going. Let me get over here and do what I gotta do. So I just wanted to show y'all some stuff. I'm supposed to be volunteering, so, and then they got bathtubs and stuff, and that's it. And so I'm gonna get off of here so I can finish doing what I came to do. Ooh, Lord, I got this thing. I'm trying to navigate this pallet. Lord, I don't even know what I'm doing. Can I drive for real? Okay, let me straighten it up. I know how to do a little pallet thing. Okay, there we go. I got it straight. Okay, all right, girl, you got it. Okay, turn, turn, turn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, get on over here. And so this is what I'm doing, just putting the paint right up there, lining them up. And that's what I'm doing today. All right, see you later. Bye.